Dinner's ready signifies that the food has been cooked and is ready for consumption. This phrase indicates that the cooking process is complete, and the meal is prepared for eating. Looks don't matter suggests that an individual's physical appearance is less significant than their personality and behavior. This statement emphasizes the importance of inner qualities, asserting that one's character holds greater value than their outward appearance. Time heals everything conveys the idea that negative emotions or experiences will diminish over time. This proverb implies that with the passage of time, emotional wounds or tricky situations will naturally improve and eventually fade away. Diamonds are rare is a misconception. Diamonds are abundant in nature, but their availability is artificially restricted by the market. This assertion challenges the common belief about diamonds, revealing that their scarcity is largely a result of market control rather than their natural abundance. Take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for your support. You can be anything you want encourages individuals to pursue their dreams with hard work and dedication. This motivational phrase inspires people to believe in their potential and to work diligently towards achieving their aspirations. Fat is bad, sugar is good, oversimplifies nutrition. Both fats and sugars play roles in a healthy diet, but excessive consumption of either can lead to health problems. This notion highlights the oversimplification of dietary advice, emphasizing that a balanced approach to nutrition is essential for overall well-being. Contrary to widespread belief, mice like cheese is a misconception. Mice prefer carbohydrates over dairy products. This challenges the stereotype that mice are attracted to cheese, revealing that their dietary preferences lean more towards carbohydrates. The myth, microwaves give you cancer, is unfounded. The radiation used by microwaves is not harmful and does not cause cancer. This debunks a common misconception regarding microwaves, clarifying that the radiation they emit is safe and does not pose a cancer risk. People get what they deserve implies that one's actions will result in appropriate consequences, whether positive or negative. This expression suggests that individuals will face consequences in line with their actions, indicating a sense of justice or karma. The swimming pool is clean, and no one urinated in it, cannot be verified without proper testing. This statement highlights the difficulty of confirming the cleanliness of a swimming pool without proper testing, emphasizing the importance of hygiene precautions. Emphasizing the importance of learning and understanding math, the phrase, "you won't always have a calculator on you," discourages dependence on tools. This phrase underscores the significance of mathematical knowledge, cautioning against over-reliance on calculators and advocating for a strong foundation in basic mathematical skills. Money doesn't buy happiness conveys that wealth does not guarantee satisfaction or fulfillment. This saying emphasizes that material wealth alone is not sufficient for true happiness, suggesting that emotional and spiritual well-being play crucial roles in overall life satisfaction.